Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Look at this baby of a bike. Well, not quite a baby, quite a big bike actually. It's a 750cc Moto Guzzi V7 Sport. It's an absolute beautiful bike, very quirky looking indeed. Twin exhaust pipes, really nice big wide scooped saddle, good for a pillion, lovely mono shocks each side. This particular model has the upgraded wheels, the mag wheels, shaft drive and the upgraded Brembo brakes, twins. So fantastic stopping power. Don't like the clocks, plastic, offset, don't like them on this one. The Triumphs are good, don't like these Moto Guzzi ones so much. As you can see, I don't know, maybe you get used to it in time, but I don't like the look of it. Tell me what you think. Riding position's nice, good for tall riders. I find when I'm sat on the bike, as you know how tall I am, 6'4", when I'm sat on the bike my legs are just past the crease of the tank. I know, sit right back a bit, you might, no it's not, but it's alright, so I could get used to that. But again, if you're 5'11", 6 foot, you'd be fine. Bar end mirrors, nice position, riding modes. It's got the rain, road and sport on here, as you can see, and I'll do some specs later on it. So there's a stand here, quirky stand as well, and I love the way the engine comes out on this angle. It's lovely, 90 degrees apparently, and it's got a quirky old pump. When you turn the key and you whack the throttle, you get the old, bit like a BMW. There we have it. So I'm on it for a little bit of a ride, and I hope you enjoy the bike and enjoy the ride. Well, great ride, really enjoyed it. Very powerful, low down power, right through the gears. Plenty there, you don't need any more. I found the gearbox a bit chunky, clunky. The bike's almost new, so might need a little bit of looking into that one. I couldn't get it into neutral at all, and it's definitely not me. The ride's lovely, everything moves, it's all like alive, and I really enjoyed it. It's just it's just got a few quirks. I love the colour, love the looks, and thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.